An alloy is to contain copper and zinc in the ratio 9 to 4. The zinc required to melt with 24 kilogram of copper is. Here we have the amount of copper, that is 24 kilograms, and we have to find the amount of zinc required to be melted with this amount of copper. Let me write the given quantity of copper, that is 24 kilograms, and our aim is to find the amount of zinc. Let me assume x kilograms as the amount of zinc to be melted with 24 kilograms of copper. Now let's get the ratio of the two quantities over here. I mean the quantities of copper and zinc. Then we have 24 to x. Already we have a ratio of copper and zinc, that is 9 to 4. So this ratio must be equal to 9 to 4. Now we have to solve for x in this equation, which gives the amount of zinc required. Let me write this ratio as a fraction. Then we have 24 over x. Do the same thing for this one as well. Then we get 9 over 4. Let's take a reciprocal on both sides of this equation. The reciprocal of 24 over x is x over 24. On the right side, the reciprocal of 9 over 4 is 4 over 9. Now let's multiply both sides of the equation by 24. Let me do it. This 24 will cancel out. We have x on the left side. Here 3 goes into 9 3 times, and 3 goes into 24 8 times. Now 4 times 8 is 32. In denominator we have 3. Here we have an improper fraction. Let's convert this one to a mixed number. We know that 3 goes into 32 10 times, and 10 times 3 is 30. So in this 32 we have 2 left. That 2 should be written over here. Take this denominator 3. Now I have converted this improper fraction to a mixed number. So we know that x represents the amount of zinc required in kilograms. So the amount of zinc required in kilograms is 10 to the third. We find this stuff in answer choice A. The correct answer choice for this question is A.